Magluluto akong hot cake. Nagkikrave ako first time ko magluto. And, so, powder. Ito ngayon. May sugar. Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan mamaya. Yung pancake. No, I don't know also. It's my first time. Do you think it will melt? Here?
No.
So where
You have to make here and then you
transfer there? Oh my God, too much work.
Stop! Tanya!
Wow, what a nice name. Tanya.
Tanya! She doesn't have money. She's going.
Oh,
Tanya!
Tanya, your sister will give you money. Come.
She's gone.
Oh. Ayan.
Sit down.
Huh?
She's gone.
Oh. Maybe she will come back. And this is my flatmate. What's her name? Vanessa. She's cooking also. Ito na. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Anong, ano nito? Anong kalalabasan? Masarap pa. I hope so. Yeah, I put
Eggs?
eggs. Yeah.
It's like one side.
Ay. Ay.
You're enjoying cooking.
Ay.
I'm laughing at you. Today you feel like coming and disturb your kitchen, eh?
So always your husband is cooking.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my God. See how sweet husband is.
Very nice husband.
Mm.
But he's a very nice guy. He doesn't have time
Yeah.
for problems. No.
My husband, if he's come with me, he cook for me like that.
Yeah, we carry him
He
to the
cannot
heaven.
cook every day. Yeah.
Ay.
You're enjoying cooking.
Yeah.
Not
It's
much.
like
It's
not
okay.
much.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just turn it the pan. Turn it the pan after it beat the spread. Frida. I don't know what I'm going to when it's one day. Oba one way or another. Marge Sunipa. On way or another. On way.
It's good. It's not that sweet, but it's good. Now I know.
Now you know.
It's good. I know.
Oba one way or another. On way or another. You're going to go.
Now I know how to make it. That's so simple.
Why did you?
Hmm?
This one is going to burn. You are here.
Ah, so I need to flip now?
You have to check.
You put too much.
Oh. Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Ay, it needs oil. Do I need to put
You can put small cheese.
cheese? The margarine.
Butter.
Mm. Ah, where? Where?
Oh God.
Side only.
Why you like this?
I don't know.
Why are you like this?
I like what?
Why do you know how to cook? You put too much.
Next time I will put small. You see, first time I'll put little.
Make sure.
Minutes have been empty.
What? Okay, I will flip it.
Yeah.
Hmm?
This one is going to burn. You are here.
So I need to flip now?
You have to check.
You put too much.
Oh. Okay. Oh my God. It needs oil. Do I need to put?
You can put small. If this size is okay. If this size is okay, but you put too much.
Oil. I like it.
Like it?
Yeah. You want to taste?
Yeah, I'm okay. You never see me cook making it. Me, I make every day.
Naman?
This one I make it every day.
What do you? This
But
one
me, I
in
use
the.
egg and milk. I
Mm.
don't like sugar, so I don't put sugar.
Ah.
Sometimes I don't put sugar. I just make it like that.
Next time I will not put because I saw it in the YouTube.
You saw
They
it's
put,
nice.
yeah. Do I need to flip? Do I need to flip? Thank you so much.
Learn how to cook. Learn how to cook. We need you here.
So ito na yun.
Kitchen.
Ito na yung ginawa ko.
Someone finish all the meat. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay naman siya. Pwede na. Pwede na sa Di ba? Every time may maluto, kinakain ko. Actually, pwede siyang pang ano ko, pang dinner. Pang dinner ko na to. Di ba, baliktad? Dapat breakfast ko. And then, ginawang dinner. I think it's okay to eat now. Oh my God, why? I don't know how. I don't know how to flip.
No, why are you changing now?
Now, now.
No,
How?
it's not yet done.
Ah, set them.
No.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
Oh my God, oh my God. It's not appetite.
Pwede na siya. Hindi naman siya ganong masarap, pero pwede na pagtsagaan. Tsagaan. Pwede na pagtsagaan. Oh. See, now I'm full.
Because you are eating cooking.
Yeah, I'm full. Now,
For us, we can't eat because we are cooking. Yeah, I wait until I finish cooking.
you done?
Wow. Why are you running?
Because it's hot.
I'm done. Done. I'll take that one down.
And now, here's my pancake. See? Not bad.